27 wants you to negate the quantified statement and rewrite it in English in an alternative way. This right here is your quantified statement. It says some feathers are light, and the quantifier is the word some. And so we are going to switch that from some to none. Remember the picture? They had the two circles like this. That showed this was the sum. And if you pull the two circles completely apart, now you've got none. And they don't use the word none. They use the word, instead of some feathers are light, you would say no feathers are light. Okay, next. Okay, use this table of student info to determine whether the given statement is true or false. And the given statement is no commuters are on scholarship. Okay, so commuters, here's my commuters, and this person is a commuter, and this person is a commuter, and this person is a commuter. So those are all my commuters, and we are looking to see if any of those are on scholarship, because it's saying that none of the commuters are on scholarship, and then scholarship is right here, but this one says yes, and this one says yes, and this one says yes. All of them are. So this is clearly a false statement. The statement is false because all commuters are on scholarship. That's that very first one. They're saying none of them are, but the table shows that all of them are. So it's clearly A. And then next, what do we got here? Identify which figures below illustrate the statement that all animals, okay, all animals are dogs. So that would be a situation where the pink would have to be completely in the blue. Animals would have to be totally inside of dogs. This one has dogs here, and then you've got animals inside. So this one's definitely one. All animals are dogs. Nope. This choice A here. Oops. Choice A here. This one would be all dogs are animals. This one would be, since you've got intersecting circles, you'd say some animals are dogs. And then this one, since they're completely separate, you'd say that no animals are dogs. So on this problem, the only one that makes sense is C. And then it asks you, why did you omit the figures that you did? The other figures were omitted because in those figures, and there's a drop down box here, all animals are dogs. No dogs are animals. All dogs are animals. Some dogs are not animals. Some animals are not dogs. Sorry, that's my cat. Some dogs are not animals. Some animals are not dogs. What the heck? Let's see. It's definitely not this one. No dogs are animals. It can't be this one. This is the only one that shows no dogs are animals. This one is some animals are dogs. This one is some dogs are animals. Well, this one could also be some dogs are animals. Some dogs are not animals. Some dogs are not animals. Some dogs are not, and this one, some animals are not dogs. Some animals are not dogs. I'm going with this one. Some animals are not dogs. Because this area here would be some of the animals that are not dogs. This area here is some animals that are not dogs. This one would be no animals are dogs. The last one makes the most sense to me, so that's what I'm going with. All right, and there's 2 more slides. I'll do that in a separate video.